morning to all. My name is Yakanishka. I am from Crayons Public School. Today we visited a garden agriculture farm in Irigarai. It was a good experience for me to explore more things in it. We saw more cows, horses, pigeons, etc. And Mr. Nasser sir explained and teaches us more things about agriculture farms and more things about the animals, horses, what they eat, and it gives us good experience about touching the horses and the cows. The farm and the agriculture farm is very good.
Good morning, I'm Srinidhi from class 7. Today we visited a farm in Irigarai. So we saw many animals like horse, dog. We saw two types of horse. One is Marwar and another is Katiwar. And it was a good experience. Good morning, I'm R. Meenakshi from grade 8. We here to Nazar sir's farm, and we came here to see our farming ways and methods of growing, and we saw many kind of breeds in horses. Mr. Nazar explained us more about this. We all enjoyed our trip. Thank you.